2025, the Mint 400. We're out here with Team Real Racing. Mike's over at Falcon Tires right now, dropping off the 1450 at their booth, and we're here at camp, VIP parking. So the truck had some issues in pre-running, so Chris Allen and the boys are gonna crank on getting this thing ready today, get it ready for tech. Wheels and tires, going to BJ Baldwin's shop today. So ride along with us as we go around and do a bunch of mechanic work at the Mint 400.
Hi, I'm Michael Scafuto, and we're out here at Team Real Racing, the Mint 400. As you can see, the truck is broken. We're trying to fix it right now, but hope we can get it fixed before the race and qualifying tomorrow, I think.
Hey guys, I'm here with Falcon Tire. We're here at the Mint 400 at the Falcon Rig, and we're here to support Mike and Team Real Racing. So we're pretty excited to see how he fares here and see how our tires do and handle this environment. So we're pretty stoked to see what Mike brings up.
Jonathan and Jordan Brenthal from Brenthal Industries, founded, God, almost 20 years ago, I think, in a garage. 21 years ago. They started in banking, realized that there's more money to be made in off-road.
Definitely not true, but we like it more.
Yeah, they like it more.
More fun. Well, no, we like torture and pain, so that's why we're here, right?
Well, they have me as a client, so they now understand what torture and pain is. You know, they're building a legacy behind them between Baja kits, you know, all the trucks they're doing, their factory. Now they got the big Fox, you know, with Fox.
Factory.
So there's a lot of really cool things in store in the next couple of years.
You got some badass Foxes on here, don't you?
I do have some great Foxes on here. Yeah, we're a PG company. We don't really curse. So
oh, my bad.
They are awesome. Yeah, you're good. You're good. We'll edit that.
You can fix that.
But yeah, man. So thanks everybody. Thank you for the endless help so far. I know we've had some issues with this truck. We're working through it. Team Real is dedicated to make sure we help make this all-wheel drive one of the best running trucks in the market and the most affordable truck. And I don't know about too affordable though.
I don't know if it's so affordable, but racing all-wheel drive, yeah.
see the mic real quick.
All right, Team Real Racing's here in 2025 Mint 400 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here with Eric Carlos and Bakari Howard from Falcon headquarters in Ontario, California.
Rancho Cucamonga, but that's okay.
Rancho Cucamonga, yeah. Team Real Racing could not be more ecstatic about our Falcon Wild Peak MT 40s that we get to run in. They're the proprietary tire. They're not out to market yet. We hope for a general consumer market at some point, but
Horizon, it's coming.
It's coming, yeah. But we can't appreciate. We want to say thank you, Eric. Thank you, Bakari, for the support, the team, the tires, the influence of being positive and helping us. Like as hard as it is, and having some really great guys on our side is going to make our program flourish even more. So, Team Falcon, baby.
Good luck tomorrow.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
All right, cool. Thanks, Eric. By the way, we got our 1450 here too. It's looking good. All right, we got a bonus.
All right. See you later.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll do it at 19 barbecue at like 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock?
We're not doing this.